working on an assignment. So I just cut out a whole part of a dialogue. And when I showed it to my faculties, it didn't make any sense because we heard the first word of a sentence and and the guy replies to it. The whole chunk of a dialogue in between was.
Did you ever feel like you were missing out?
Yeah, most of the time. Whenever there's Hindi. Still, there are people who are struggling more than me.
Who are they?
I was in Abe struggling more.
How did it feel when people spoke mostly in Hindi around you?
Initially, like it was like I just keep myself out from everything so that I don't feel neglected. They will be speaking something serious, then quickly they will burst out into law. Like I don't know why they are laughing. I was just like, yeah, good, love, yeah. I don't know what is happening there.
एक्चुअली अभय के साथ मैंने स्टार्टिंग में थोड़ा ट्राई किया कि मुझे लगा कि मेरी इंग्लिश इम्प्रूव होगी, लेकिन मुझे बाद में पता चला कि नहीं, मेरी इंग्लिश थोड़ी ख़त्म हो रही है. तो फिर मैं थोड़ा सेकंड इसमें आ गया कि मैंने थोड़ा हाथ वारों से थोड़ा इंग्लिश बोलना ट्राई किया, लेकिन वो भी फेल हो गया. फिर लास्ट में मैंने बोला कि ठीक है, वैसे मैं बात कर सकता इंग्लिश में, लेकिन सिर्फ 4-5 सेंटेंस में. तो 4-5 सेंटेंस में हमारा यही था कि टर्न ऑफ फैन, टर्न ऑन लाइट, टर्न ऑफ फैन लाइट और क्लोज द डोर. तो इस रूम की भाषा ही इतनी है 5 सेंटेंस वाली.
We live in a, what do you say, maybe we should say different time zone. Like he will be sleeping by the time I am active, I'll be sleeping by the time he is active. So like with consciousness we barely see each other, and we are too different in everything, like language, culture and everything.
अभी क्या है, अभी मतलब अभी तो बहुत 6 महीना हो गया है, तो अभी हम इंग्लिश बोल लेते हैं, नॉट दैट काइंड ऑफ, बट हाँ मतलब 5 सेंटेंस से तो आगे 10 सेंटेंस तक तो बढ़ी गए. अभी फ़िलहाल क्या था कि हाँ कि अभी इंग्लिश में मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा अभी फ़िलहाल, क्योंकि वो सुबह सुबह याद आता है कि फ़ैन की स्पीड कम कर दे.
It's like we are in same room but we don't know each other. It's like that.
So did you felt like you were missing out, not just particularly in class, somewhere else?
Yeah, like even in, if we take the WhatsApp group, like I use Google Translate sometimes to understand what is happening, but after a point that will also feel so bad. Like you have to translate each and every message to see what is happening in the group. It's, what to say, I am missing half of my class. And when our classmates ask some questions in Hindi, teachers will be like, well done, great question and all. Like, I don't know what is that great question. Sir, still, we are taking focus. Okay. Like Vishwa sir is so helpful that he said that to the class that he will feel this, so try to speak in English. But eventually they all will go to Hindi. That's what is happening.
हाँ वो टफ तो होता है, लेकिन मैं अगर अपना डाउट खुद बेटर तरीके से क्लियर नहीं होगा मेरा डाउट, तो फिर लाइक वो मेरे लिए वो सही नहीं होगा ना. कि अगर मैं कुछ पूछना चाहता हूँ और मैं इंग्लिश में अगर ट्राई करूँ पूछने का, तो शायद मैं बेटर तरीके से फ्रेम ना कर पाऊँ अपने क्वेश्चन को, जिसकी वजह से उसमें टाइम भी ज़्यादा लगेगा और मेरा क्वेश्चन भी शायद जो भी टीचर है उसको समझ में ना आए.
Yeah, if somebody is having some trouble with English, it's okay to switch to Marathi or whatever the Hindi or whatever the language they are comfortable with. It's better to say something in their own language